What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel and a new project that I'm starting. This is my new Audi S3 that I've just bought from Copart. I've bought it about 3 weeks ago, but I was on holiday at the time, so I got it delivered here to my cousin's garage. It is actually a really nice car. I will go over, show you everything that's wrong with it, and I'll show you what's good with it as well. At the minute it's not running, so we've got to go through it and see what the issues are and yeah, get it repaired. So here's a new car. Starting off, we've got damage to the wing here. We've taken the wheel off. I have the wheel. We've got damage to the wing. We've got damage to this door. I don't know if you can pick that up nice on the camera. It's just where it's been opened against the wing. And there was a dent over here, but when I pulled the door handle, it pulled the dent out a bit. But I'm going to keep my eye on that because it is a little bit dented. You could maybe see that there. We've got damage to the wing mirror. But I'm not sure if the wing mirror actually works or if it's just the case damaged. So that's on the back burner for now. And our biggest bit of damage to the car is actually the engine. It had the oil sump broken when it got in an accident. So I'm not sure if the car's ran a long time with no oil. As it did state in the description when I bought it that it doesn't run and drive, so hopefully we can salvage it rather than buying a new engine, because I don't want to do that. So my cousin has been stripping it down a little bit just to check the damage. So they'll try to get that in there. So yeah, we've taken, that's the oil sump there on the floor. So yeah, we've taken off just some of the bits just to inspect it a bit better. He said it looks promising, so fingers crossed we can save it. I'll show you lot around now. Engine bay, everything else looks good. We've got no coolant, so I think we might have to replace the radiator, and the aircon radiator is damaged there, so you can see it. So I'm going to replace both them radiators. But the front bumper's good, the headlights are good, everything seems to be intact. What I have also noticed is it has a aftermarket exhaust. It's got aftermarket downpipe on there. So that is not original, because I've got the same on my Golf. So it's probably been modded at some point, which is hopefully good for us. But the rest of the car is pretty clean. We've took that off. So yeah, that's the oil level sensor. It's broken off into pieces. I'm gonna get a new one of them. Yeah, everything else seems good. We've got the spare tire. I don't have a partial shelf. Someone must have stole that or never come with it at all. Going round, all this side is good. There's no damage at all. Yeah, I think it's an actual black edition as well. All the trims are black. It's got all the black trims at the front. Yeah, inside of the car, it's actually not in bad condition. It does need a clean. It is absolutely filthy in here. Look at all that. It's just dirty all over. But yeah, no airbags have gone off. Everything seems to work. All the seat belts are good. What's in here? And we've got some books with it. I hope the service history's in here. Owner's manual, service schedule. Let's see. No. Got me excited for a minute there. Yeah, that's empty. Yeah, I thought that was going to be good there, but can't always win. But it's good that we got them books there. Right now the battery is flat on there, so I can't put the ignition on. But when I did buy it, the ignition was working, so it did have power. It just obviously wouldn't crank because of the engine. So I'm hoping everything else works. First thing we're gonna do is get into fixing the engine, making sure that's running, and then from then we could obviously address the other issues such as the wing and so on. But yeah, it's looking nice. I'm gonna show you lot properly around the car now. If you do enjoy this and want to see more like this, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, because there will be a lot more videos coming on this car. Thanks for watching.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great.
So the biggest part of repairs, as you read from the thumbnail,
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in.